Okay, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Empire POV Test Drive. So today we are going to do a product review. So LISEN sent me their phone holder to test it out and have a hands-on experience with it. So I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion on this. So for quick disclosure, like I said, LISEN sent me this product, but everything you're about to see in this video is my honest review and my honest experience with it. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, so what do we have here? So we have the phone mount itself. It's all metal. Wow. My first impression is this product looks really good. It's all metal. It's different than other phone mount that you see that's all plastic. This one is all metal. I'm really impressed by this as first impression. So what else do we have here? Of course, we have some instruction. Yeah, we have some instruction here, and then some wipes, and then also the base. If I'm pretty sure if you want to use this on uneven surfaces, you can use the base. I think it said here that yeah, uneven surfaces are shown below require the base pad. So soft leather, highly textured surface with large grain, you need the base. And then surfaces suitable for diamond is glass, screen, plastic, metal, firm leather, and other similar surfaces. But other than that, you need a base for this. So that's it. That's pretty much everything in the. Also, they have this ring to facilitate the MagSafe. For the phone does have the MagSafe, I think. Yeah, I think that's all in the box. Wow, like I said, this I feel like this is really made of. The quality is good. It's all metals. It's pretty strong. It's a good quality, to be honest, guys. One thing I like about this is the fact that it's 720 degrees, and then the base also 360 degrees, and then this use the Nano-Gel technology for the suction, so it makes the product really stick on surfaces like glass, plastic, screen. Yeah, but I really like the 720 degrees and then the 260 degree for the base. Wow, it's really good, to be honest, guys. It's really solid, to be honest. If I put my phone here, yeah, it's thick. Yeah, it's really solid. Yeah, it's really solid. So I'm going to install it, on this is my 2026 Cadillac Escalade. Then I'm gonna try this on to see how it feels. So they said that, if you use it on the screen, on the glass, you don't need the base. But if it's on the screen and glass, you can just use it like this. So I'm going to install it. So let me see where I can put this. I can put maybe, if I can put maybe right here. Yes, it's gonna, let's see if I put it right here so it doesn't block the time and stuff. Wow, it's pretty strong. This is the 360-degree from the base. Put the phone. Oh, yeah. So it really stick, and you can rotate your phone, like landscape, portrait. Yeah, I really like this, and then it's easy to stick. You take off, stick, and this. Wow. Yeah, I really like the product. It's you know, it really stick. It's very solid. It doesn't look like it's going to shake or something. And it's easy to put my phone over here and then just rotate like this. Yes, I know I'm testing this on the Cadillac Escalade. So I put here so it doesn't block anything here. So I'm gonna take it off. Yeah, maybe put here as well. To put here. Yeah. I can also put here on my Escalade. And then it's pretty good. Okay. Let me try here. Yeah. It's pretty solid. It really doesn't like even shake at all, and it sticks very, very well. Wow. But I'm probably gonna, my favorite spot is right here. So then to take it off, you just take off like that. Okay, so let's hit the hold and see how this phone holder, looks like on the driving mode. One thing I really like about this is like it doesn't shake. There's other like a plastic phone mount, like when you're driving, it's shaking. Even when you like touch your phone, it's really hard to take it off or put it back. But this one is like stable. It doesn't make like, the phone doesn't even move like by a little. It's very stable. You really stick to the surface, and then you really hold the phone, and then you can take off pretty easily. You can put it back. Okay, I think I really like the product. I think it's very solid, and then I like the quality. I like the thickness. I like the stability. Yes, thank you very much. Listen to send this product over for review. I really like it. The quality is very good, and then I really like magnetic stick. Everything is working as it should. So if you want to grab one, I will put the link in the description of the video. You can use my link and my code for discount. Again, thank you, Listen, for sending this full mount over for review. Thank you guys for watching. If you like it, check out the description for the link to check the product yourself. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more content, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you very much.